Is your Ninja Speedi stuck on the preheating cycle? Let's resolve this step by step, no tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will be back to cooking smoothly. Begin by confirming you've added food to the pot. The Speedi requires food or water for sous vide to regulate temperature during preheating. If the pot is empty, the appliance may stall. Add your ingredients and restart the cycle. If the issue persists, check the selected function. Some modes, like sous vide, require preheating water first. Refer to your user manual for specific instructions on function settings and preheating requirements. Next, reset the appliance. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This clears temporary errors and restarts the system, similar to rebooting a device. If the problem continues, inspect the heating element and fan. Debris or damage can block airflow or heat distribution. Wipe the element gently with a dry cloth and ensure the fan, located in the lid hinge, spins freely. If the fan is unresponsive, internal wiring may need professional repair. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to reach Ninja's customer support. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another appliance issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!